Hello everyone and welcome to another Spotify ads tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to install the Spotify pixel in your website with Google Tag Manager. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. Step number one, we are going to log in to our Spotify Ads Manager. Step number two, we're going to go all the way up and click here to open the menu, and we're going to select events. Once we select events, we need to create a pixel for those of you who don't have a pixel, or we need to select the pixel for those of you who have the pixel. In this case, let's create a pixel together. So we're going to call this EXYZ Lab pixel. We are going to put here our website URL. And here we're going to say we want to associate this pixel with our ad account. Now we are going to say done. The system will create the pixel. And once the pixel is created, then what we're going to do is we're going to go straight here to get the code. We're going to ignore now the event creation and the parameters. We want, as a first step, to install the Spotify pixel in our website with Google Tag Manager. So we're going to copy the code. Let's actually click done here. We copied the code. We're going to go here now to our Google Tag Manager. We are going to click on new tag. We're going to create a new tag. We're going to name this tag Spotify pixel. We're going to select tag configuration, and here we are going to choose custom HTML. And in this box, we're simply going to paste the Spotify code. And now we're going to click on triggering. We're going to select all pages. We're going to add, and what we created now is a new tag, which is the Spotify pixel, that is going to be active in all the website pages. So we're going to save this tag, and we should never forget with Google Tag Manager that we should always submit and publish in order to send these changes live. And that's how you can install the Spotify pixel in all your website pages. So a quick recap: you need to grab the code from your events here in Spotify Ads Manager. So again, you're going to click the menu, you're going to go here to events, you're going to select your pixel, you're going to copy the code. Once you copy the code, here we're going to click get the code. So once we copy the code, we come back and we create a new tag. Under tag configuration, it's custom HTML. We paste it here. Triggering is going to be all pages. Don't forget again to submit and publish your container. That's all. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Bye everyone.